Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 with easy clicks. Very straightforward and simple. What I want you to do is that I want you to go on Google and type in Light GPT, and after you do that, you should get to this page where they tell you everything about it. But before you go on the sign up and register, let me run you through what it does. It says your earner benefits. Our innovative features for members price them and make it more flexible to earn more money and give more potentials. There are more than 8 earning ways, 8 ways that you can make money, guys, and the minimum payout is 0.5 minimal withdrawal. You can withdraw in dollars or BTC. For those of you who do not know what BTC stands for, it stands for Bitcoin. So a lot of you who are interested in doing Bitcoin, this is the nicest way for you to start up. The earning ways, you can do it by playing ads, you can do it by doing short links or force it. You don't really need to know what all of these things means. I prefer you guys just do the video ads, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. These are the advertising ways and the advertising benefits. As it says, if you decide to do advertiser benefits, there are multiple benefits that you can do. When you go on this website, just make sure to read through every single instruction so you get a broader understanding of what the website does before you actually sign up. Now let's go on to the statistics, and let me show you the amount of people that have done this. Now there are over 321,347 total members. More than 12,000 has been paid to members, and more than 555 people are online. These are the services. They offer revenue sharing. Other than that, they also offer walls. They also offer all captured networks. You can just run through all of the things, and obviously the payment methods, you can get paid in PayPal and multiple different payment methods. PayPal is very recommended. Now, by the payment proofs, these are the amounts of people that are making money per second on this website, you guys. People from all over the world, people from different countries. It's not a lot of money. It's not even $1. It's 0, something. But since that the minimum payout that you need is $0.5, this should not be a big problem or a big issue. And the good thing about being in South Africa is that the dollars that you make will convert to rands, and you will always make more money. So after you have read all of the instructions, you can go onto the register and you enter your email, your username, your password, you confirm it. All you need to do is make sure that you always remember the email and the password that you are putting in. Make sure that you agree to all of the terms and the conditions. I promise you there are no shady conditions. And after you do that, guys, you should be redirected to the home page. Now once you get to the home page, there will be the various methods that you can make money from. The best way that I can recommend making money is by just watching ads. Like, a lot of companies are paying a lot of these website apps to promote their videos and promote their websites. So how can they get more customers without actually doing promotion themselves? They pay their customers a very small minimum payout just to watch the ads. So they will obviously not pay you things like $10 or $30. The things that they will pay you is that $0.5, $0.3. And since the minimum payout is $5, if you just keep on watching ads, just keep on doing the multiple forms and ways that you can make money, in no time you should have $10. Now it will take a lot of time. That's why I said in the title, you can easily make $100 with easy clicks, but it takes a lot of patience and a lot of time if you actually want to achieve that. So just make sure that you follow every single instruction that I gave. Make sure that you read through all of the terms and the conditions. Make sure that you read and actually understand what is going on. Once you've done that, go on the register option, and I promise you should be fine. Before the video ends, I wanted to share one more website with you just to end the video off and give you an extra website that you guys can get other than the one that I just shared with you. The name of this one is called Survey Now, and as you can tell by the name, it is the most straightforward website. There is no need for a description or explanation, but I will run that through with you guys so that you guys can just understand it completely and there are no missteps. As always, if you want to register, add your first name, your last name, your email address, your mobile number, select your country and your province and your ethnicity, and you can subscribe. As it says, your all paid online surveys in one place. Easiest way to earn money and free vouchers online. Begin to earn rewards from day one. Only with surveysnow.com can you get an immediate account activation and exposure to thousands of paid online surveys. How does it work? Free sign up. After you sign up, guys, it should definitely take you to the main page where you will be able to make money. As it says here, once received, provide honest answers to given questions. Some surveys may be short and surveys may be long, but the good thing about it is that the longer the survey, the more money that you will make. So you don't need to actually worry about doing longer surveys. It just depends on your patience and how long you actually want to do it. And the best part about it is that you get to cash in immediately. You do not need to wait. And the best thing about it is that if you do it for a month straight, it will start giving you monthly rewards. And as always with these survey based websites is that they will always give you points, and once you get those points, it is your job to actually transform those points and turn them into money and make sure that you add your PayPal account so you can make money. So guys, after you've read everything, as I said before, this is a very straightforward. I do not need to spend a lot of time on this. Once you have read all of the instructions about it, you definitely should be fine. Make sure that you have a PayPal account. If you do not have a PayPal account, you can obviously watch videos on YouTube teaching you how to do those exact things, creating a PayPal account. Make sure that you have the right email and that you always know it so that you will definitely be fine. Anyways guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. If you've made it up until this point, you are a star. Thank you very much for the amount of support that you give the channel. As always guys, as I said at the beginning of the video, there will be a giveaway on the 26th of November that me and Dollar Influencer personally will be handpicking. So easy as pie. If you want to enter, make sure that you comment every single video from now to the 26th of November. Keep those post notifications on so you can always stay in tune and always get the videos first, so you can comment. People who comment first will definitely have a bigger head start than people who don't. So I'll see you in the next video guys. I love you. Peace.